Hello guys, it's me, NYSE Einstein from the Florida New York Stock Exchange. Inside Verstoff, May 8th. Giddy up. What's up? What's up? Dow Jones Industrial Average firming up here, 21,000. Okay, solid day. What do we got going on? French election this weekend. Okay, no surprises there, although people were fearful of what's going on. France got hacked. U.S. got hacked. Donald Trump is president. Macron is president. What's Russia doing? What's happening in North Korea? What's happening with the market? Oil under a little bit of pressure, though we saw a bit of reversal at the end of the day. Big sell-off in oil last week. Got to the point where it breaks even here with production costs in the U.S. People started buying the commodity. Okay? Market rallied back on the oil side. Hi, guys. You're photobombing my show. Anyway, we're here on the floor of the stock exchange. A couple of people photobombing Einstein. Anyway, so what did the market do today? Where are we at? We got a consolidation at a high technical level here. Okay? Earnings have seemed good. This week we got the tranche on the consumer stuff. We're going to see some retail. Big M&A. Coach taking over Kate Spade today. So you're seeing a lot of things coming to the market. Market doesn't seem to be engaging anything negative. It's really kind of not even engaging anything positive. It's not going up, but it's not going down. We're sort of in this little vapid area that's sort of like the torrid zone, like the twilight zone of what is really happening. Stuff around the world is happening that's really significant. Stuff around with earnings are happening that's significant. The spiders and the futures on the S&P and the NASDAQ are at all-time high. The Dow's firming up 21,000. We see 850 million shares trading. 1 billion shares traded almost every day last week. Consolidation at a high technical level. Money changing hands, shares changing hands. But what's really happening? It's really hard. It's one of these weird things. You and I have seen it. You know, we get times where there's a little bit of a sell-off. Directionality maybe going down there. We see times where we're building a foundation and we're going higher. We see times where we're flatlining and getting all horizontal at certain levels. And then something inevitably happens that makes this market either go higher or go lower. I think we're in that period. Beginning in May, we talked about it. I talked about it a little bit last week. We've got this old premise that says sell in May and go away. That doesn't seem to be happening. It hasn't happened for a couple of years. You know, we see oil consolidating at 45, 46 level. Big reversal in oil today. That's a good thing. People are buying the commodity. Summer's coming up. People are going to be using their cars. But we also see the U.S. pumping oil like crazy and the Saudis. So where do we stand? It's kind of a day where we ended up flatlining. Dow Jones Industrial Average up 5 points, firming up to 21,000 level. Russell off a little bit, spiders up a little bit. Gold down a little bit, oil up a little bit. Not a lot going on. I don't know. I think we should probably ask our friend, Mr. Einstein, what he thinks we should do. Anyway, I say stay in the market. Don't go away. Don't sell in May. Go Dogs, go! I'll see you guys tomorrow.